Hello guys, you use smartphone Samsung Galaxy A52, this version 4GB RAM memory and 128GB Intel memory in the black color. Start unpacking. Open box, look completion. Device in completion. Okay, this protected film, and in completion we have USB Type-C cable and adapter for charging. Okay. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic, soft touch plastic, quad camera on the back side and LED. On the front side 6.5-inch display, front camera. On this side without controls, right side power key and volume keys, downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Upside slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Okay, turn on device. Super AMOLED display, Full HD resolution, 90 Hz support display. Okay, open settings. About phone, version 1E 3.1, Android 11, Knox 3.7. Okay. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. We have CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 720, this octa-core processor 6+2 cores, GPU Adreno 680, resolution and display PPI look this. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and look AnTuTu benchmark results. Okay, AnTuTu benchmark results. Close this and open demanding game GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas doesn't work, okay. Open PUBG Mobile. Look how this demanding game works on the device. Okay, start game. Game load. On the medium graphic, this max graphic level for this device, and game works good, without lags and glitches on the medium graphic level. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.